Hi, I'm Chris. In this video, we're going to look at comments of a node. So, as you might have seen in some of the previous videos, every node, regardless of its type, has properties, relationships, comments, and the workspace it's contained in. So in this case, if I were to go to comments, I wanted to add an additional comment. Say I had been to a restaurant and I wanted to give my thoughts on what was my favorite dish. I could quickly type it here. So the pasta was the best dish. Add the comment. In the comment, if I want, I can add additional attachments. I can add additional information, dividers, so on and so forth, as well as edit a bit the look and feel. If I wanted to highlight a specific aspect, essentially, it works exactly the same way as the type of node notes. So when you type a note, the only difference is, for the time being, you cannot add any mentions or you cannot add any properties within the comment. And then you directly save it and it adds it to the list of your comments. In the list of the comments, the idea is down the road, we're going to have collaboration. So you can then see who wrote every comment and you can reference then other users and notify them. If you click on the comment, you can directly edit, copy it, or delete it. And similarly, if you swipe, just like everywhere in the application, you can either delete it or edit it. If you have any questions or any ideas on how we could better improve comments, please let us know in the forum. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.